put potato gun on your internet, it's like you'll find this.
I'd like to say hello and welcome you, good day, that is my name. Come here and sit down, I'm so glad you even really truly came. We can even go and take a walk or something like that, or something like that. But first I need to introduce my what and introduce my when. Its name I like to call and likes to say it's nothing. It lives and breathes and it insists that it is something. It never liked to speak or run or walk or sleep or eat. It even thought that everybody tried to flock to take its seat. Looking through glass eyes, give it a few tries. Nothing goes right in its time. Get all its bad dreams, wonder about no things, circles and spirals in mind.
Hold it for 3 seconds, like spray it in for 3 seconds.
So just funny. Oh no! That's a fucking belter.
A dolphin in it?
Fucking hell! I walked up each man.
Aye.
It's a very good noise as well. Great success. Didn't even use a handle or anything.
Did you know?
No.
I thought it had some kick on it, I fell back.
What? Way back in the living room.
We know that this song is not about to know, yes or right. What's really truly what I say is that about a little side. So come along, I think I'm done, I think we're done, yes this is done. What's truly that I think about it and it thinks about a ton. Looking through glass eyes, give it a few tries. Nothing goes right in its time. Kill all its bad dreams, wonder about no things, circles and spirals in mind. I thought you knew I knew, but why and by and why and by. Why and by and why.
What are you bloody close to?
Right, you got me.
We gotta get more ammo. I'm shaking a wee bit.
Find out that way.
Whoa! Oh no! You alright? Did I get you?
Look, it's not even my horn. I can bust my horn.
Oh no! You alright?
Aye.
Let's see. If you're shaking.
Do you want to shut? Can you shut myself? I don't want to play anymore.
Oh no, that was dangerous. Do you think there's any tattoo on that?
Did you put about 200 dents in that, Ross?
Aye. You got a video of it? I do.
Whoa!
Right.